Such a genius fix. It's definitely the ceiling of restoration. The scooter from 70 years ago. Restore it to the factory appearance. The god of restoration in this issue comes from Shogu in Turkey. This is a 1949 children's scooters made in the United States. It's based on a Buick convertible. He was selling for $6,000. Due to the classic and aesthetic body lines, let him squeeze into the ranks of luxury cars. And an American company called Jasmine Company. And I saw the opportunity. And it's based on this car. It's a replica of a scooter. After the repair of this scooter is completed, Brother Shio will give it to his 3-year-old son as a birthday present. The car as a whole is relatively well preserved. There is no large area of rust wear. These are all the parts that have been disassembled. Next comes the restoration. First, clean the surface with soapy water. Apply paint remover to the surface after cleaning. After waiting for 10 minutes, the paint can be easily separated. And finally, use a high-pressure water gun to clean up any remaining paint. And then you knock out the dimples. After the treatment is completed, sandblasting and rust removal will be carried out. Take a look at the overall effect after the sandblasting is completed. Then the surface is coated with atomic ash to fill the tiny potholes. Prepare for the next step of painting. This ash is made of unsaturated polyester resin. It has good heat resistance and strong adhesion, often used for metal and non-metal workpieces. Fill the ash and dry it to smooth the surface. Further polishing with 400 mesh abrasive paper. Switch to 800 mesh abrasive paper when done. Finally, use gauze to absorb the moisture from the surface. Then you can spray paint. First, spray off-white primer. Spray primer not only covers the gaps in the surface, it also increases surface adhesion. Spray the back. After the primer dries, use 400 mesh abrasive paper for grinding. Then switch to 800 mesh abrasive paper. These detailed operations. It is enough to show Brother Shio's attitude towards work. Next, you need to spray the top coat. Brother Shio chose his favorite candy red color. After spraying is completed, let's see how it works. Next, the grille guardrail should be silver plated. First, wash the surface with water. Then use a degreasing agent to clean off the oil stains on the surface. Then spray a layer of stannous chloride. Finally, a layer of silver nitrate solution is sprayed. After a chemical reaction between the two, fluorescent sparkling colors will appear on the surface. After the overall spraying is completed, take a look at the effect produced. Then we have to deal with these wheels and small accessories. Use super cleaner. Clean up surface stains. After the cleaning is completed, the paint will be stripped. After cleaning up the remaining paint, sandblasting and rust removal. Then, correction of some bent and sunken workpieces. Polish the burr area. Powder spraying after treatment. Bake in a 200-degree oven for 10 minutes. After production is completed, cover the inner ring area with masking paper. Then a light yellow paint is sprayed on the outer contour area. In this way, the layered wheel hub is repaired. The next step is to deal with these small accessories. After cleaning, sandblasting and rust removal. Polish its surface. Through observation, some subtle potholes were found on the surface. I want to restore the original appearance of the accessories perfectly. First of all, a layer of off-white primer needs to be sprayed on the surface to cover these tiny potholes. After the paint dries, switch between 400 and 800 mesh sanding paper to polish the surface. And then we spray the surface with a dark shade of paint. And then finally, they're silver plated. The original tires and pedals are well preserved. It only needs simple cleaning and can be used again. The original foot and seat cushions are worn out, so Brother Shio redid the production. As an excellent restorer, it's not just about mechanical skills, and you need to learn how to make it by hand. Only ingenuity can eat this bowl of rice. And then we laser cut the plates. Other accessories have also been remade. We made the dashboard using a laser engraving machine. These nuts are polished after cleaning. After completion, these parts are electrolytically nickel-plated. The function is to improve the oxidation resistance of metals. After the parts are repaired, it's neatly laid out on the table. This is Brother Shio, the result of a full 30 days of work. After all parts are repaired, next, enter the overall assembly process. First, install the drive links together. Then install the tires. Install the installed wheel structure under the car, assembled with the drive linkage mechanism. Then install other accessories of the car in turn. During the installation process, you can see it. Every part feels like it just left the factory in brand new condition. I have to admire Brother Shio's repair skills. What an eternal god. If you think Brother Shio's skills are really strong, please type 666 in the comment area. With the reset of the last part, this 1949 children's scooter is restored. Let's take a look at the comparison before and after restoration. This repair effect is absolutely amazing to you. Finally, let's take a look at his practical operation process. Friends who like to fix the video, don't forget to like and follow. See you next time.